Teams of architects and engineers build these beautiful giant structures out of full cans of food. They're exhibited for a couple of weeks and then we donate all the food to City Harvest. Canstruction is the single largest donation that City Harvest gets because they're a food rescue organization. So this is the one time they get cans of food rather than going to restaurants. This is our 26th year. This year we have 30 teams. They're architects, engineers, construction managers. We have one team, architecture team that's with a high school. We really encourage kids to get involved. We have some very small ones that have like 800 cans, and the largest has 8,300 cans. And in the exhibit, this year we have almost 110,000 cans. City Harvest comes and collects all the cans and then they distribute them to over 500 food pantries and soup kitchens in the 5 boroughs. So the exhibit is free, but we ask you bring a can or 2 or 3 of food to donate, and that also goes to City Harvest.